Hi, my name is Zachary Angelot, and I just wanted to go over what I've been working on and maybe what I'll be working on. Basically, it's kind of the same old thing with the ground up stuff. It has all the database stuff and everything. You could add a database to the app and all that. I've added this data vars thing. Basically, what this is it lists out all the tables, and then you get to select from there the tables, and then it lists out the pages or URLs. You can select those, and then you get to hit submit, and when you do, it adds it to that page. And this is basically the name of the database. Just basically each one of these. And then I was working on generating the stuff so that when you look in the app, the routes, it generates the routes for each one. And then I was working on the handler, which it doesn't quite do yet. I basically have it generate the handler, but I gotta work on adding the actual data so that it can pull it into the handler. But that's something I've just been working on slowly but surely. But yeah, that's generally what I've been doing, and it's actually seems pretty easy. The folders and everything, they all seem kind of big if you haven't really dug into it, but it's actually pretty simple. DB SQLs for the database stuff. App data is for the applications data. Basically, it's SQL, but it's under the database stuff. Then you have everything else, which is like data creation, get table data. Is basically for the dashboard. And you have the generate folder with generators and templates. I was gonna, for the data, adding it to the handler that's generated, I was gonna create a separate folder, basically like handler. And so this would basically be the generated handler for it. So this would be handler, and then it'd be handler temp would be the variable. Obviously this stuff has to go, and it would basically be the SQL stuff in order to get it from the apps database to then get the fields and then turn that into a struct and then have that be in the handler. As far as going about that right now, it would probably look something like this ish. Obviously it wouldn't be called data and stuff, but I'd have to work into doing SQL in order to grab the fields. Well, yeah. See, that's the thing. How am I gonna select the fields from the database? There might be some stuff I have to look up, kinda. Well, not really, because why would I not be able to just grab them from here, sorta? Or did I want them to be out here. I still need to make that decision up. That shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, that's something I've been working on, kind of, and it seems pretty easy. It's still fun. I really don't have any trouble with how it's structured. I suppose eventually I'm going to have to split up some more of these even more. But yeah, if you have any questions or anything like that, please let me know. Okay? Thank you.